When I upload this video and y'all see this shit will not be on my phone no more.
She ain't put it up yet.
Yeah, I know. Hey. Why you always outside? Take your ass back home. Anyway, we're not doing that.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
What's up, y'all? So, it is one of our friends' last weekends here in Bangkok. All of a sudden, she had to go leave to support and be there for her family. So, it was like a last minute decision that she had to make. And today's her birthday.
You're just gonna put me in the video not looking like shit.
Ty's here, he has a meeting. So he's not gonna attend. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. He's having business meetings and doing like boring stuff.
Look at my hair.
Y'all can go with me.
Don't look like I'm in between right now.
I just watched him blow dry his hair. So when I get back, I can braid it. Yeah, let's go on this ride. We're gonna call our car or our bike. And then I'll see y'all downstairs. So we in the elevator, y'all. I told them and I made them aware that I was gonna be late. It is now, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 7:30 at this time, but the party started at 7. I am like 15, 16 minutes away. I should make it there by 7:45, 7:50 before 8 o'clock. And hopefully they told the birthday girl to be there at 8. But I think our bike is here. Swati? Huh? No. Sawadika, Angel? Yes, chai.
I can't help it. Baby, I'm selfish. I want you all to myself. That's my spot. Parked on the left. No stress, not in a rush. My wrist costs an arm and a leg. My bitch costs an arm and a. They love to talk to you, but I go to war for you. I need all of you, and not part of you. True, make that move. Take off to my room. Shake that, bake that cake. I'll taste that. Diddy talk, take that. Ooh.
Sawadika. Take it easy. Chai. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Good. How are you? Good.
Must be. She got a very big one.
Oh yeah, nah, she's about to drop. Captain Kai, thank you. Hey. Hello. Hey, baby. How are you?
Great. Good. How are you?
Good. I thought I was late. Is it good?
It's actually very good. It looked like it's like, oh, noodles and cheese. But it's not.
It's giving.
Like a super. Yeah.
It is a little different.
These are good.
On Candy Camera. What's up, Ty? What's up? Not much.
Just vibing. Waiting on the baby, waiting on the birthday girl. We just waiting. We just waiting. We just still. Waiting on the birthday girl. We just waiting.
We're waiting.
I don't want you to move. I need you right here, right here. Baby, I'm selfish. I can't help it.
Every time y'all see me,
That's when you out. That's when you outside. Yeah.
But when you call me, what I be doing?
You be in the bed in the dark for sure. For sure.
For like 3 years, I've never been to Sugar Club. Go to Sugar Club, my love. I love her.
How old is she?
You look 25, but I'm 38. Period.
You 38?
Period.
You look good.
38.
Oh, you look good, Ty.
Yes.
You look good. What's that song?
You look good, baby. You look good. Yeah, I know. Hey. She's what?
Because I'm here.
How far is she away?
She was right behind me. I told the driver, I told that nigga drive slow. Surprise.
I'm getting all her hugs.
Were you surprised?
I was, but I could see like at the step.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't know like. It was funny because yesterday Shay was like, "So what do you want to do?" And I was just like, "Oh my God, I want to do that with nobody." I was just having a whole little moment
Breakdown.
And then today I was like, "Okay, I'm glad." I told Shay it's just gonna be me and Shay and probably like one more motherfucker because I had a whole heart attack. She probably think I just want to be by myself. I was like, "No, I want to be with her." I told him today. I was like, "I love it."
This is our girl Tammy from Florida by way of Atlanta. So we've been knowing her for years. We came to Bangkok. Now she's leaving and today's her birthday. So first of all, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And I know that you're gonna miss everybody and you met so many great people here. What most are you gonna miss about Bangkok?
Soft life, the peace, and I'm gonna miss the people for sure. I feel like that's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Is the people, the connections I made. I don't want to look at it in a negative light. I want to look at it in a positive light. And the positive light is the fact that I had the opportunity to even meet all these beautiful people on this side of the world and build connections with them. I have my family and my friend group is even bigger now.
But we just want to say from my YouTube to you, happy birthday, and we're gonna miss you so much. And y'all, when she get back, we're gonna do a welcome back vlog. Wherever we may be in the world, we're just gonna do a welcome back vlog.
Thank you.
But safe travels, safe flight, and I know you're going back for a reason. And we are hoping and praying for the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, try. Hey. Swadika. Alright, y'all, just made it home. Oh, I owe you money. Okay, here you go. Captain Kai.
Thank you.
Captain Kai. Made it home. Thank you. And it's big. Like I said, I'm about to. You're welcome. Braid ties hair. Might hit the streets tonight because it's my girl's birthday. Our homeboy said he might turn up tonight. So it's just like one of them nights. So I already washed and blow dried Ty's hair. I'm like, damn, I should have been recording. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all the wash and dry process of how I do his hair here, being that we have smaller sinks, smaller kitchens and everything. But I'm gonna do it next time, I promise. I'm gonna do it next time. I'm gonna sit up the tripod and just go crazy. I already know what style you want, which is not gonna take me long. Hey, babe. Smell good in here. Smell good in here. Smell like cleanliness. Smells real. Oh, probably because these is drying. Our rugs I washed today. Ready for your hair to get finished?
Shy.
Come on, let's get at it. Let's get at it. This was my outfit choice of today. Just something I threw on because it was a last minute get together for real. And see what tonight brings us, bro. I kind of feel like getting drunk, but we're gonna see.
Don't stop, baby, just say when. We can go all night till the sunrise comes again. Don't gotta rush, it's our time. It's only us, our vibe. Don't stop, baby, just say when. Oh, oh, oh. Put that on my plate, baby, serve it up. Working on your shape, baby, curve it up. Don't stop, baby, just say when. We can go all night till the sunrise comes again. Don't gotta rush, it's our time.
Done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Done, y'all. Now I'm trying to see if I need to get ready or not. We'll see.
No, already look ready though. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look at you. Pants. I'm jealous of your pants.
Whatever. We'll see. If not, I'll see y'all in a second. This is the next day. We did not end up going out last night after I did Ty's hair. We just felt like being at home, so we wasn't feeling it. Although I did want a drink. I think I'm gonna have a drink tonight at home. I'm just gonna get something to mix with it. I'm on my way to the grocery store. I'm about to cook. And Ty went to a meeting. We're gonna go to the grocery store, y'all. And then I haven't had mac and cheese, vegan, because you know we don't eat dairy, so I haven't had any mac and cheese. I only had it once since I've been here, twice. I think Ty cooked it one time, so twice since we've been here, and we've been here almost 7 whole months. And usually I'm making my vegan mac and cheese at least once or twice a month for sure. So I'm feeling that right now, and that's what I'm about to go get. They do have my vegan cheese at Villa Market. So I'm about to call a Grab. I don't know exactly what type of protein. I think I might do like a shrimp, just depending on what they got. So we fit to go over there and see what they got, whether it's gonna be chicken, mac and cheese, or shrimp mac and cheese, or just mac and cheese on the side with like some chicken or something with some veggies or something. But we fit to figure it out. And more of the story is we doing vegan mac and cheese today. I'm about to call my Grab and I will meet y'all downstairs. Can never be a bitter person, I'm grown. Why you always outside? Take your ass back home. I think our Grab bike is here, y'all. Sawadika. Oh, that might be my boy pulling up right here. Sawadika. Chai. Ka. I'm back. Sorry I didn't get any footage after walking in the store because it said my storage was full. Y'all, and me and Ty have a family plan and we share extra storage for 2 terabytes, but it tries to get me to upgrade to 6 terabytes for $30 a month. We got 2 hard drives, 2 about to be 3 laptops because we got another one on the way. And then the highest, 356 megabyte iPhone storage. Ain't no way I'm paying $30 for extra storage. So this video, when I upload this video and y'all see this shit will not be on my phone no more. As soon as I put it on my hard drive, I am taking it off my phone because what? I never had a storage problem. And now I got a storage problem? Anyway, we're not doing that. But I got the goods, y'all. I got what I needed. All right, y'all. This is what we're working with. We got some chicken. We got, I don't know why I'm talking fast like my story's about to end, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. Anyway, we got some chicken. We got some elbow noodles. We got the cheese, the real expensive freaking dairy-free cheese. And then, I don't know, I can't remember how much this was in America. I'm thinking it was like maybe $6 or $7. And for it to be like 10 something dollars here is crazy. And then I did get almond milk unsweetened because I was not sure if we still had coconut milk or coconut cream. Extra virgin olive oil because I needed olive oil. A Red Bull for later on tonight because I got a bunch of editing to do and I'm going to be up. And don't get on my story talking about you don't eat dairy, but you drink Red Bull. Yes. And we're going to handle these before we even start cooking. Spinach. And then we're going to chop zucchini up like real fine and put in there because, you know, we love our veggies over here. This was a little bit more expensive than we used to spending or whatever, but I had a craving. And sometimes you just got to do what you got to do and get them cravings out the way. So my cravings literally be salmon and macaroni and cheese. If you have to wash these dishes and whip this up real quick, I'll show y'all the results. All right, y'all. Here's the famous dairy-free mac and cheese. And we got our chicken over there. I put spinach and zucchini in here. I also put a little bit of almond milk and season it up with my dairy-free cheese. Y'all. All right, y'all. The chicken mac is done. You may be onto something. All right, y'all. This is the end of the vlog. Baby's home. And
You ain't gonna get no taste test on the vlog?
I can. You want to taste test it?
Yeah.
I can get. Let me get you your plate.
Whatever gets me my plate faster.
let me get you this. See what's up.
Okay. Yep. thyme chicken mac.
And I ain't even use no time.
Yeah, you did? Just that time.
A1?
Kill the chat. Mac and chat.
Chat. Killed the chat. The vegan mac and cheese is done. I'm about to eat. And we'll see y'all next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. We on our way to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. By the time y'all see this, we might already be there. But if we ain't, make sure you share this video. Show your friends how we living in Bangkok. See you. It's a whole lot of